Morning, everyone. So, our water butt is a 1,000 litre IBC, which we have put on in bricks because that would let me fill a watering can from the valve. However, we have a bit of a problem because when I open the valve, the water's just squishing out and soaking me. So, John is going to fit this valve to tap adapter, which will also let me add on a hose because my kitchen garden is just through these trees and it will save me trailing a hose around. So the roof sends the rain down this length of downpipe, couple of bends into the IBC, and right, John, you're on. Fit the valve.
Fit the valve, yeah. You can do the valve that way. And the valve's in.
Okay, you want to stand back just in case?
You can have an extension on it.
You can have an extension on it.
Which is probably the better way to do it. There we go. And then just need to tighten it all up. There we go.
Marvellous, thank you very much.